In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Facebook birthdays to your Google Calendar on your desktop or mobile phone. So if you're on mobile phone, just make sure you go to facebook.com and request the desktop website, and then you should be able to follow along with those steps. So step number one is to go to facebook.com, and then next up, you want to click on events right there. Then once you're here, you want to click on see all upcoming events, which brings you over to this page where you need to launch a new tab in your browser, and you want to go to the Google Calendar. So I'm just going to search for calendar. Then I should be able to click on this link. There you go. So I'm going to click on the Google Calendar, and then next up, you want to go back to Facebook and you want to copy this link. So copy the link facebook.com/events/calendar. Now next up, you want to go back to the actual Google Calendar, and you want to go down and click right there on the plus icon next to other calendars. Then you want to click on from URL, and you want to paste that link in there and click on add calendar. You can make the calendar publicly accessible if you want to. I recommend not doing that, but click on add calendar, and from that point on, you should be able to see your birthdays or like your friends' birthdays from Facebook on your Google Calendar. As you can see right there, birthdays. You're gonna change all of these settings, but that's pretty much how you can add your Facebook birthday to your Google Calendar. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.